Princess of Alderaan here once, many years ago. How cool is this? Good to see you. We have a station prepared for you here. Excellent. Welcome. I wanted to be here to see your face when you saw this workshop. And I know the gentleman there is excited. Excellent. Well, welcome, my friends, to Starbeast Workshop. We're so glad you found us. These are the gatherers that will be helping you, and you may call me Kembe. Yes, please, take a look around. I know, this all looks like just a lot of old junk, but let me assure you of something. Some of it is new junk. Perhaps I should explain.
It looks like new stuff.
Well, thank you so much. You see, we call ourselves the gatherers because we search the galaxy for ancient relics in forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets, and what we find we bring here to work. So when a stormtrooper might receive worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. For in these times, preserving our past may just ensure our future. Oh, I hope you've all heard the legends of Luke Skywalker. Yes? We hear there is a new Jedi. Do you know her name?
Ray.
Exactly, Rey. And what Rey is leading, well, that is the spark of hope that we've been waiting for so long. And that is why you are here, to look ahead and to build a lightsaber. That's cool. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and our darkest enemies. It is as elegant as it is enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber then becomes a reflection of its builder, with the force flowing between them. Today, you will feel that connection. So enough talk. Yes, let's begin with perhaps the most important element of a lightsaber, the Kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. Some say the Kyber crystal is the heart of a lightsaber, and the colour of the crystal determines the colour of the saber's blade. We've seen these with some of the greatest Jedi legends in history. The blue crystal, favoured by great Jedi Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. Violet, a beautiful rare crystal, favoured by the powerful Jedi Master Mace Windu. And, because there must be balance, red. Indeed, it was called the colour of power, and the favoured crystal of Darth Maul, Sarge Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But all these are stories of the past. We are here for you, our future. So it's now time for you to select your Kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. So builders, close your eyes. Indulge me, close your eyes and picture your Kyber crystal in your mind. What colour calls to you? Remember, it is equally likely the crystal is choosing you. Good, open your eyes. And select your Kyber crystal.
Violet, purple.
Good. Now builders, carefully place those crystals in the green crystal holders in front of you. For it is now time to begin the construction of our kit. The gatherers will place before you the selection you previously made, and from there you will choose the precise components that will comprise your unique lightsaber. The hilt is really the foundation of the lightsaber. It's your center of control. Also, it's the part that keeps your hands from being disintegrated. So looking at the components, we'll start with the chassis. You'll see on the other side of the box the activation plates. We'll choose 2 of the 4 grids before affixing the blade emitter and the pole pan. Building a lightsaber is a personal journey. The gatherers are here to help you through every part of the process. So builders, are you ready?
Yes.
Excellent. Then let's build. This is the trickiest part, because the crystals are all individually covered. So if the crystal in the rest is just you and the sailor.
Thank you.
We machine them shape as a matching pad.
All right.
Deciding place in one corner will be either red or blue. Then after the red and blue corner on the side of your chassis, cover the blue corner with the blue square and the red corner with the red square.
Yeah. Look at this one. Yeah, obviously.
Jedi for the guardians of peace and justice and the congregation. What kind of crystal did you salute? Yes. How does it feel in your hand? Looks good. Oh, yes. Look at that. Beautiful. How does that feel?
Very good.
Have you eaten it all?
No.
What color crystal did you select?
Violet.
Oh, yes, yes.
Yes, we do. Yes.
Some of the oldest pieces we've ever been found. Some of them could be hundreds of generations before the Battle of the Atom. If you were ever able, you see those markings on the bottom of the river? If you were ever able to decipher what those ancient runes mean, please let us know. Exactly, my friend. Not even the ancients on my lost in time.
この後ね、なんか訓練してくれるんだよ。
Absolutely, yeah. And the bricks stick top and bottom, so if you ever decided to switch it on.
Ah, okay, yeah.
いいの？これいいんだよ。
One of those, yeah, play them into it. On the top. Channels the crystals you may see displayed. Push back tape when we found it, but it was easy to cut it out and drill the new one. Hi, my friends. Look at these, brilliant. These are some of the oldest pieces we've ever found in both these states. Oh, really? Oh, yes, these date from the earliest days of the Jedi Order, the beginning of the Republic. Could be thousands of generations before the Battle of Yavin. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yes, elegantly done, my friend. Rare pieces. Do you know what that pommel cap is you chose? The piece on the bottom? It's a rainbow tooth.
These are the right
Yes. My friends, congratulations. We've all completed our hilts, and nothing catastrophic or traumatic has happened. Yet, so for the next part, I will ask you all please take a step back. Thank you, my friends, just for a moment, to allow this skilled team of gatherers to complete what is the most dangerous part of the process, and preparing your hilts for activation within our crystal stabilization chambers. Well done, gatherers. Now, builders.
Many parts builder now join there. Yes, lightsaber. It begins. It is time. Your journey.
Master Yoda. And yes, it is indeed time. Time for the bond between builder and saber to be forged. So in just a moment, I'll ask the builders to take a step forwards. Place a hand on the hilt of their lightsaber, and then on my mark, we'll activate them together. Builders, are you ready?
Yes.
Then take a step forward. Place a hand on the hilt of your lightsaber and activate.
今おいで、今おいで。
And raise your lightsabers.
そこは出てくるのか。
You have built a lightsaber like the Jedi and the Sith that came before you and like that you too could change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Good. Deactivate and lower the lightsaber.
Like you way it can lead you, it cannot. Your journey in both ages. May the force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Well, in your hands you now hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So to protect your sabers, we're pleased to offer you all the saber sheath. In a moment I'll dismiss you one group at a time. For our time is now at an end, but yours is just beginning. Time to make your mark on the galaxy, for you are as unique and as extraordinary as the lightsabers you have created. And who knows, next time, we could be telling your story. Raise your saber! Let's go back to the graduation. You can just hold on for a moment. Would you be the next please to head back to the hall? Thank you so much. Congratulations, my friend.
Thank you.
Good. Thank you so much.
Thank you.